Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, when two soap bubbles of radii A and B greater than A coalesce, the radius of curvature of the common surface is. Now, इस question में the key concept involved is surface tension. So basically होता क्या है, surface tension कम से कम लगे इसलिए दो soap bubbles they would coalesce with each other so that the surface area it reduces and they share one common wall. Now let us proceed to the solution और देखते हैं what is the correct answer. So coalesce होने के बाद ये हो गई common wall. This is one bubble and this is the other bubble. ये हो गई उनकी common wall जो कि फर्दर दिखेंगे हमें कुछ इस तरह से. और ये उनकी common wall. Now this is 2, this is 1, this is radius B since B is greater than A. बाहर pressure हो गया P0, this is P1 and here P2. Now coming back to the point, common surface का radius हमने मान लिया. The radius of the common surface is capital R. Excess pressure inside bubble 1, जो बड़ा bubble था bubble 1, उसके अंदर excess pressure हो गया P1 minus P0, that is equal to 4S divided by B. Let us say this is equation 1. And bubble 2 के अंदर excess pressure हो गया P2 minus P0 equal to 4S divided by A. Let us say this is equation 2. अब excess pressure हो गया हमारा P2 minus P1 that is equal to 4S divided by R. ये हो गया हमारा equation number 3. Now from all these three equations, what we get is on solving 1 divided by A minus 1 divided by B is equal to 1 divided by R. And on further solving, we have R as equal to AB divided by B minus A. So the final answer is option A, AB divided by B minus A. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.